Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by preparing the essentials. Install Jazz Notes FC Mobile and sign in. Once done, grant microphone, storage, and MIDI permissions so the app can record and import. Open a new score, set the tempo and key, and choose an instrument patch. This ensures playback matches your arrangement. Then enable metronome and loop points for practice. Make sure to save a template now so you won't repeat setup. This accelerates every composition session going forward. You now build the arrangement by layering tracks and entering notes. Use the pencil tool for fast entry. Toggle quantize to 1/8 or 1/16 to tighten timing. Once notes are in, switch to inspector to adjust velocity, swing, and articulation. This shapes groove and dynamics. For complex voicings, duplicate a track and transpose one voice, then use mute and solo to audition parts. Make sure to loop tricky sections and export into. You finish by mixing and exporting. Balance mix levels, add EQ and reverb to taste, and place a master limiter set around -0. 5 dB to avoid clipping. When satisfied, export stems, MIDI, or MP3 choosing 44, 1 kHz or 48 kHz depending on delivery. If you encounter latency or crashes, close background apps, reduce audio buffer size, or disable live effects temporarily. This usually fixes performance issues. Finally, archive project versions so you can revert changes if something goes wrong.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.